Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 8 of this low-rise apartment building. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the roof, and then we finish up the top portion of this building. What I want to do is to go to south elevation, and I want to add other levels. So I just want to increase it. Also, I want to put this two at the top level. And then what I'm gonna do is let's move this one all the way to the top. I'm gonna add at least maybe 3 more levels just to showcase the design of the building. So let's add more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna select this, click on copy, and then click multiple. And what you could do is we could add more, just like this. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 more. Maybe make it 10 level, so it's still considered low rise. And then make sure to increase the height of the grid lines, the vertical ones. And then here, what I want to do is to move this. So we could copy this all going at the top portion. So what we could do is select all of this, but we need to hide the underlay. So none on this. So that's hidden now. We just need to select all of this. We could copy. So copy to clipboard and then paste it to selected view. So I'm going to the levels are not here yet, so what we need to do next is to actually go to view and then floor plan, and then add the ones that we just created. So I'm just going to copy that, and then it will create all these levels. So now other grid lines are not showing, so we just need to go to the elevations and then just increase it. And then once we're in here, you can see that all the grid lines are showing. So you just need to pull up all of those grid lines so that it's showing on all levels. So now what we can do is we can go to level 5. We're going to copy this to clipboard and then paste it to the selected views. I'm gonna choose level 9 because that's the other height. So that's the highest now, and then the level 10 will be the roof. So here, as you can see, we have all of those copied, and then we have everything right there. So now if we check this out, we could move this now to the level 10. We could basically have this roof right here to level 9. There we go. So that's the cover now for that. And then here we just need to go back to level 5 and then just delete it. And then now, because this is the group that we created earlier, that's fine right there. We could copy this again and then put it on other ones. So if we want to see it properly, we need to put it on 7, 6, 5, and 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So we could just copy it and then align to selected levels, 4, 5, 6, 7. and then it will create it. You just need to wait for the process to finish, and then we will have those same levels. And then we're just going to change the ones for the balcony. So as you can see, because we group this, it's easier for us to edit. And then we just need to edit one of the group. So we're going to edit it now. And then we could go to, probably this one is level 8. What we could do is we're going to edit right here. I'm going to delete this one. I'm just going to put it in the middle right here. So we're going to remove this right there and then delete this remaining. So now we're editing this, and then we're going to delete this for now because I'm going to create a flooring for that. Something easier to add. So right here as well, what we need to do is just put it in the midpoint of this, and then trim and extend. And then right here in the middle, and then trim and extend, and then delete the remaining by using tab. You just need to do it on all of them. And then once you do, we're going to create a floor for the balcony by using a model in place, because that's the one that we want to use in order for us to have this design that I'm gonna show. It's basically a zigzag design, but the exterior part of the building. It's much modern looking. So let's finish this. Don't attach, and then click finish again. We're gonna look at it right now first, what is happened, and then we're gonna delete it again. So edit group. I just want to see what's the difference now. So we're gonna delete this railing right there. Delete the railing on all of them, because we're gonna add a proper railing later on. So now we could do is we could go to component and then click finish first. We're gonna create a model in place, and then we're going to, the problem with creating a model in place in the group is, the problem is it's you're not gonna able to add it there. So if you notice, when I check it, click model in place, it's grayed out, but it's easy to create it anyway. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click, or we're gonna create a model in place right now, and then if we could add it, let's do it. But if not, we could just copy it on other floors. So here I'm gonna click extrusion, and then we're going to do a model in place. I'm gonna choose something white for now. So a gypsum wallboard, but let's duplicate it so that it's gonna be something like that. I'm gonna do this so that it's exterior wise first, plus it's on this side, AL, and then we could extend it a bit, maybe around 800. So AL again, align it on all of this. Make sure everything is aligned right there. And then we could just click here to add on this side. And then we could delete this and then delete this and then trim so that it's connected, and then TR again to trim and extend on this side. Click finish. We have one side done. We just need to create the other side. So right here, we could try and mirror this. So let's finish this and then mirror to the axis. And we have this other one as well. Click finish. Let's try and add it now, which we could do now, and then click finish. Let's look at it at 3D. So now everything will have that same look, and then we could create the design. We're going to figure out the ones that right here later on, because that's a floor, but it's easier for us to create a model in place extrusion. And as you can see, it looks much better. And then we're going to add additionals on this side. But now I just need to edit this one and then edit the type or edit the extrusion. Why? Because I want to be consistent. I want it to be 200 only. Plus, we need to lower it down. So I want to go to maybe south elevation and see where it is live. So we need to make it at negative so that it's lower. So now everything will follow along. There we go. And then if you can see, we have a door right here that's going out to the balcony, and everything is flush and proper, because usually floors takes down. So here, if we have a level, it goes down to that level. That's how Revit recognize that. We do need this part as well. So what we could do is we could delete this, and then we could create a copy of this one going out. So the issue with I have here is we could just, I'm going to edit this part and then just create just a new one. So let's do that now. I'm going to edit boundary. I want the overlay to show, so let's show the overlay first. So an underlay. So here, let's go. So this is the 9th. I want the 8th. Just to show that. Edit boundary, and then we could just go around here. We could pick line and then trim and extend. And then pick line right here. And then trim and extend. So even here, I'm just going to go on this side now. Just going to align this so that everything is consistent to what I'm doing. But to be honest, I think it's better to do it on that side. Why? Because it's going to show, and I don't want it to show. So I rather just stick it to the middle of the wall and just do it same thing right here. Click the tab in order for you to get it on the midpoint. TR again to trim and extend. What we can do now is just SL TR to trim and extend. And then trim here and go there. Click finish. Don't attach. Go to 3D and see that's the way it looks. That's fine. So now I want to add the same look right here. And of course we're going to edit the roof as well. I want it to be consistent. But we could leave the roof actually. I just want to finish off on this one because at least the roof is good enough on that. So let's go right here and then do the same thing. So right here, architecture, model in place, and then generic model, and then extrusion. And then we could do 200 again, negative. And then we have this one to copy. So we got lucky that we could just copy it. So underlay is very important so that you know where you need to place it. You can see everything under. So just finish up this one. And then click finish. Check it first if everything is flush to that, and it is, so we're good. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.